Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how I made $55 on Textbroker. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. A short guide on how to make money with Textbroker. The goal of Textbroker is to meet the growing demand for custom content. There are hundreds or even thousands of clients who need SEO-focused articles written, and now they also want social media posts. So there are ways to make money. This video won't be about how to join. It is rather for writers who are new to Textbroker or who just can't make enough money. Well, I am here to assist. A few months ago, I decided to put all of my attention on Textbroker. I had been level 3 for too long and wanted to move up to level 5 so I could make more money per article. So I didn't worry. I just did a few things. I did nothing but write. Now that I don't have a full-time job, I have more time to write. This meant that Textbroker had to be treated like a 9-to-5 job. I treated it more like an 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. gig. This meant that I had to wake up early, eat breakfast, and then start writing. I wrote every kind of article I could. By noon, I had finished at least one article and was already making notes for the next one. So what happened? I was making a bit more money than I had been. The next step is pick your levels carefully. People have said that you can write for lower level articles and still get to the next star level. People have said that you can write for lower level articles and still get to the next star level. I don't know if that's true, but I have stopped writing for articles with 1 or 2 stars and started writing in my own zone, the level 3 zone. So they had to pay a bit more. Next, how to write faster and better. Some people like that Google Docs has a diction feature, but I've never used it. But I do write with Google Docs though. Yes, I have a USB drive and a Word program, but instead of waiting for Word to load and putting hundreds of articles on my drive, I write quickly on Google Docs, which automatically saves what you write in the cloud. Then, I would copy my article and paste it into the Textbroker writing platform. So this is how I do things. I started my research after choosing an article from the show or the pool. I would often write down sources and notes in my writing notebook or save links in a Google Docs document. I create a simple outline, especially if the article will be 1,000 words or more. I start to write. I edited the article by using Grammarly and my own spelling skills. Copy, paste, and send to Textbroker's platform. So within a month, I got an email telling me I had reached level 4. Since then, I have been invited to team orders and have been able to make more money for my writing. I made $55 in the 2 weeks after I got to level 4 star status. Now, think about what would happen if I wrote even more. I could have made at least $100 in a week, if not more. But I have to stay off social media for that to happen. $55 US may not seem like much, but it is money that was earned, not pennies. I hope these tips help, and if you need help or advice, you can always send an email to Textbroker's friendly staff. To sum up, write as many articles as you can write. Write the way you want to, how to write faster and better. Last, come up with a plan that works for you. Good luck in your writing. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.